What's up, guys? Slightly different video. We're here at Friday Night Headlights in Athens. It is the big car show that they do once a year. Whole bunch of cars show up, whole bunch of vehicles show up, good people. They got food, drink, stuff like that. And I figured I'd just walk around and show you guys some cars. Let's get to it. Got a 72 Javelin. Very nice, very nice. Forward by looks of things. Another Javelin. Oh, that's an AMX. That's an AMX Javelin. That's like the sport model Javelin. Mercedes. That's got a Mach 1. Oh, Boss 302. Wow. Very nice. A little rat rod. A Jetta of all things. Uh-oh, their thingy fell out of their front window. .50 Mustang. Roush performance goodies on it. That's cool. Cervani, whatever that means. 302. Oh, it's on. It must be on bags. Yep, she's on bags. Now that's cool. Mustang on bags. Well, I just seen something else that kind of caught my eye. I don't know what it is. We're gonna walk over this way though. Ford. Sorry for the crappy camera angles. I'm trying to watch where I'm walking as well as video cars, so. Here's where I am with all the trucks. Trucks usually take us back. A lot of trucks this year. Last year they didn't have a lot of trucks. Looks like some Subarus snuck it in. A lot of Subarus this year. I brought mine. Swap the air cleaner back out. Parked next to an Impala with eyelids on it. That's kind of cool looking, actually. These are the kind of people I can get behind. Old D100, D110 maybe. I like it. Tin grill, which is nice. I like the. That's cool. Yeah, I like the trucks that are beat up. You beat up, you hit them with a lick of polish, and you send them on their way. But these too, the little rat rod, you know, GMC's, Fords, Dodges, ones like these with the step sides. These are really cool. The Vortex swapped. Hey, decently done too. Some headers on it. Oh, I didn't even notice. Look at all the license plates. Oh, there's license plates. That is cool. Here we got some on this side. V8 Ford. Ford F100. Yeah, look at the chop. Look at that look at that rear window. Oh, it's been interior swapped with a, would that be a New Edge Mustang or something like that? That's actually cool. All the way to the engine. They even put the engine in it. Now that's cool. I'm gonna say that a lot because it is cool. Oops. I'm sorry. Is that a Cadillac? What is this? Oh, it's Mercury. Kind of look like a Cadillac badge. What even is it? It's a Comet. It's a Mercury Comet? The orange interior is kind of orange. Auto trans. So I dig that for a, you know, old family car. Oh, I have a feeling I know who owns this.
Actually, I think they may be coming out with the new Jeep.
Right next to a 57 Chevy. Yeah, 57 Chevy two-door hardtop. Very nice car. I love the I guess you could call it the space race era cars that have the giant wings on them. They look really good. I like them. Every week I get How long did it take you to build this?
About 2 years.
Really? All right, 2 years.
Yeah.
Power? Have you ever stuck it on the dyno?
No, it's probably only got about 180.
180, that's a lot for a bucket with wheels on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it don't weigh nothing. It's probably weighs around 1,900 pounds.
It's pretty good for a Civic.
Yeah.
You ever stuck it on the track?
Not yet.
Not yet?
No. That's the plans though this year is to do some racing with it.
Oh, heck yeah. I hope to see it on your Instagram. I'll
Right.
put your Instagram in the video.
Yeah.
We got a vet, C7 vet, white and red interior. We're gonna head this way. There's more cars this direction. I'll pick back up when we're over there. Highway. And this neon. Was blowing some furious smoke. Mishimoto parts. BC coilovers. Oh, I like the gauge pods. Tastefully done. It's on some radials, not radials, proxies. Not too shabby. We got a Teggy Integra. Turboed. Going in a B series. Had a wing on it. Another S2000. Giant tachometer. I've always liked that about the S2000s and the Hondas and stuff like that. They have a gigantic tachometer. Almost dropped the phone. There's more cars rolling in constantly. It's been a non-stop, just, they keep coming. Ooh, I see a wagon. There's a wagon. I love wagons. Love me a good wagon. It's a very nice wagon. Dig the wagon. Oop, what's this guy doing? Cougar. Oh, hey, it's that YouTube man. It's the YouTube guy. This is the guy I was talking to you about. This is Criminal Diesel on YouTube. Go give this guy a follow, I swear. Do it. I know he has way more followers than I do, but he builds some outrageous trucks. He built that one. He's building this one. There's his YouTube channel. I mean, we're talking big money. King shocks, Starlight wheel wells. Has his YouTube inscribed in his headlights. Oh, he even brought this. Holy cow. This is what a Dodge looks like without the doors on it. I mean, it's giving Jeep vibes. Now, this place is getting packed. My phone's gonna get blown out of my hand. And I apologize in advance because the audio is probably going to be dog crap. Ooh, a pro-charged Hellcat. Alright. Alright, I dig it. Oh, we got a new Mustang coming in. They're kind of cool looking. Barracuda.
That one's for sale.
There's a Discovery? Land Rover Discovery or something like that. They're cool looking. I like the taillights on them. Oh, there's a Beetle. A lot of C3 Vets. I love these Vets. I love that they're a Vet. I hate that they're fiberglass. Fiberglass scares me. A Beetle. I don't know much about Beetles. I'm sure somebody does. They're cool. I love how massive the turn signals are. Beetles amuse me. At least the older ones. The new Beetles kind of look gross. I wouldn't say gross. They're bulbous. Kind of look like a hippo. A hippo is a good description of how a new Beetle looks. That's Celine. No, that's a 427 though. Is it a Celine? It is. No, it's a Roush. Real cars wine. Oh, it's been signed. That's cool.
Why does he think?
Oh, this truck's here again. There's one truck that isn't here that was last year. It was a nice Ford Ranger. It was an 83 or something like that. It's old. Look at that. Change color. That's cool. Yucca bullet antenna. It's about car wash. Oh, 3000 GT. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, more Roush Mustangs. Well, I'm gonna scoot back over to my truck. Look at that drone again. So we got a drone flying around, we got people recording. Got a Duster or a Satellite. A Dart Swinger. Oh, look at that, he's got all the paint colors, magazine article. Oh, it's been signed by somebody. Nice coupe. Well, I'm gonna put my camera down for a while. Maybe that'll be it of this video. If so, hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I do. I come here every year. If you ever want to come visit me, see me for whatever reason, go to Facebook and look up Friday Night Headlights. Happens pretty much every year. Y'all take care. Peace.